It can be normal sometimes to wake up in the morning feeling a bit groggy. But if you happen to wake up feeling tired and fatigued every day, this could mean something could be going on in your body. We will be sharing some important factors that could be the cause of this. 1. Sleep inertia. It could be that you have sleeping inertia, which is a normal part of the waking up process. Your brain does not really wake up properly, even though you have been sleeping all night. It transitions gradually to a wakeful state. You may feel groggy or disoriented. If you aren't careful, you can easily fall back to sleep again. 2. Blue light exposure. Blue light is any artificial lighting that emits blue wavelengths, which is not really a bad thing. Energy-efficient lighting and electronic screens have increased our exposure to blue light, especially after sundown. It suppresses the secretion of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your body's circadian rhythm, which is your sleep-wake cycle. This makes it harder for you to get good quality sleep, which can leave you feeling tired the next morning. 3. Poor sleep environment. A poor sleep environment can have a big impact on the quality of your sleep. These include mattress problems, too cold or too hot bedrooms, loud noises. 4. Eating and drinking habits. What you consume before going to sleep could also keep you awake at night, causing tiredness in the morning. Try to avoid too much caffeine before going to sleep. 5. Sleep disorders. If nothing seems to be helping your morning grogginess, you may have an undiagnosed sleep disorder. Sleep disorders require diagnosis and treatment. A healthcare professional, who will likely have you come in for a sleep study,